Unicorn Platform promises to be the ultimate solution for startups looking to build their websites quickly and efficiently. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into what this platform has to offer and see if it's worth your time. Unicorn Platform is designed specifically for startups, offering a no-code approach to website building. Right off the bat, the interface feels intuitive, which is a huge plus for users who might not have a technical background. You can create a professional-looking website in minutes, which is great if you're in a rush. The platform provides various templates that are customizable, allowing you to align the site with your brand identity. However, while the core functionality is solid, the user experience can feel a bit clunky at times. For example, I noticed some features that were not as straightforward as they could be, which might frustrate users who are looking for a seamless experience. Also, it seems like there's a limited selection of integrations available, which could be a drawback if you're looking to connect with other tools you already use. Overall, it feels like a promising tool for startups, but some areas need clearer guidance. When it comes to strengths, Unicorn Platform's ease of use stands out. The ability to quickly set up a site without coding is definitely appealing for many. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. For one, the selection of templates, while decent, isn't as extensive as some competitors. This might limit creativity for those looking for something unique. Additionally, I found myself wishing for more comprehensive customer support and documentation. For new users, navigating through some features can be a bit confusing, which could lead to frustration. Pricing is also a concern. It feels somewhat steep for what's offered, especially when compared to similar platforms that provide more extensive features or integrations. If you're a startup looking for something simple and quick, it might work for you. But if you need more advanced functionalities, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Unicorn Platform is a decent choice for startups that need a quick and easy website setup. However, if you're looking for extensive customization options or robust integrations, you might want to consider other platforms. It's worth trying out if simplicity is your priority, but keep your expectations in check regarding advanced features.